A cat's favorite reward is catnip. Your cat will be bouncing off walls, rolling about like a ball, playing like a kitten again, and most importantly, loving you, the best owner a cat could have. Your cat will adore you more than you think he or she could once you get the greatest catnip for your favorite meowing critter. Remember, you just gave your cat an unforgettable present. Your cat will adore this present. A present that your cat will beg for. Is your cat irritable? Is he grumpy when you scratch him in a particular way? Or does he simply revert to his bipolar state and attack you? Catnip will undoubtedly make him happy, and it may also bring up wonderful memories that you have forgotten about. He or she is going to act like a kitten once more. Relax and enjoy your cat's joy and playfulness. You can even remember how adorable and cuddly your cat was. Your purchase of catnip will usher in a new era in your connection with your cat. Catnip toys are also available. When you go to the pet store, make sure to spend some time looking for the best for your favorite little companion. Catnip toys come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Toy catnip mice, toy catnip wands, toy catnip feathers, toy catnip squeakers, toy catnip balls, and even catnip scented scratching posts are available. After you've made your purchase, relax and enjoy the travel back home. You've just bought something that your cat will adore. Not only will your cat enjoy his new favorite toy, but he will also enjoy his new favorite owner. You might notice a shift in his attitude toward you and your family. You may experience increased affection, kitten-like behavior, and one-on-one time with your cat. You can sleep with a smile on your face tonight. Your feline friend has grown into a joyful little boy or girl. No more grumbling. Congratulations on raising your feline to be the finest pet possible. You must be a fantastic property owner.